be sharing with you guys our most recent webisode. So we are going to be talking about female hygiene.
Yes.
It comes up all the time. People always want to know what's safe to do down there and what's not safe to do.
Absolutely.
Down there. Well, there's a lot of myths out there.
Honestly, some of it's just passed on from generation to generation.
So we just really want to break it down and tell you guys what's true and what's false.
Hopefully this is useful for you and you can just figure out the nice basics on how to keep everything nice and healthy.
Stay tuned.
This one is false. There's actually no medical proof that you need to change your deodorant.
Shocker.
I know. So the whole reason you have body odor is because you have natural bacteria that lives in your skin, and when that natural bacteria comes in contact with sweat, it breaks down a protein and makes body odor. Normal sweat without the bacteria actually is odorless. How most deodorants work is they have a deodorant base, which is the nice smell good stuff, and then they have an antiperspirant base that means no sweating. And they use aluminum to kind of plug those sweat glands so you don't sweat, therefore the bacteria have nothing to break down to cause body odor.
According to the American Cancer Society, there is some research that suggests that aluminum can be absorbed through the skin. However, when they looked at breast tissue of patients with breast cancer, there was not any more aluminum in the breast cancer tissue than the regular breast tissue.
If it seems like your deodorant is not working anymore, you're feeling like you have more BO, there's a few causes. So one of them is hormonal, like breastfeeding, different times of the month, you know,
Exactly.
Auntie Flo's time, as well as pregnancy. Also things to consider is, of course, your environment. So if it's hot outside, you're going to have a little bit more BO than in the wintertime.
The things that you eat are very important too in your body odor. Some things are stronger and carry more in your scent, in your smell, in your sweat.
I'm sure you can guess some of these, right? Like garlic, right? Onions, and what?
Cumin, curry.
So all you ethnic folks out there, and we're ethnic too,
Yes.
so we understand. We cook with all of those ingredients. It can actually end up leaking out in our body odor.
And one key point too that we didn't mention is medication. So antibiotics actually can really change your body odor. Deodorant is best put on under a dry armpit. So right after you come out the shower is not the best time. You want to make sure you pat dry that area so that you can apply the deodorant and it can stick and adhere like how it needs to. Some deodorants need a little bit of a window to work. So some of them are recommended that you even put them on at night so that in the morning they work well for you.